Good evening, everyone. My name is Linda Cathay, and it's a pleasure to introduce myself to you guys. For those of you whom I have never had the pleasure of meeting, I'm looking forward to doing so. I'm sure that I'll be able to gain much knowledge from your personal perspectives and life experiences. I have chosen for my elective social work in prisons and community reintegration. And the reason for this choice is basically because I have a family member who has unfortunately been within the justice system for 75% of his lifetime. He is presently 61 years of age and serving a 17 to 34 year life sentence. He's already previously done a 12 to 25 year sentence and also an 8 to 20 year sentence. He is a family member whom I truly love and adore, and unbeknownst to us as his family members, we had no idea that he also had a problem. Well, we know he has a problem with drug addiction, but we had no idea that he also has a co-occurring mental health disorder in the form of bipolar schizophrenia affective disorder. And it is my belief that had this been discovered as he served the many years of incarceration, that perhaps he could have received the mental health treatment that he needed, and this may have in turn prevented him from going back and forth in and out of prisons, because he would have been receiving the mental health treatment that he's desperately and in dire need of. Not only am I interested for the sake of my own family member, but also the many others who are presently incarcerated who may, like my family member, have no idea that they have a mental health disorder, and on the basis of that lack of knowledge, they are not receiving the treatments necessary to help them regain a state of good mental health, which will probably help them with their drug addictions, as well as their rate of recidivism in and out of the prison system. So this is where my area of interest lies, and I'm looking forward to learning and gaining, experience and working with this particular population, and to also learn how to advocate for them so that they have their needs and their rights, advocated for. Because right now I don't believe that they're capable of any sort of self-determination or self-empowerment. So as a social worker, I think it would be paramount that for a person such as myself to strongly advocate for the rights of these inmates. So that's why I'm interested in this topic, and as I said, I'm looking forward to gaining much knowledge in this area. So looking forward to working with all of you and learning from you as we go forward. Thank you for listening, and nice meeting you. Bye.